So Operation School Bell is an arm of Assistance League that helps provide brand new school clothes for underprivileged children.
Yeah, that's great.
We want the children to have the necessities that they need to get through the school day, but we also want them to feel proud. This new model gives us the benefit of allowing the kids to come into the stores. They come with their parents or with a guardian, and the great part about that is they get to pick out whatever clothes they desire.
Is this so big? You have to let me try. Is this big? Is this too big for me?
What I believe is so empowering about the way that Operation School Bell does this is that they are offering an opportunity for parents to shop for their own children.
Providing them something as basic as clothes is allowing them the opportunity to focus on what they're supposed to be focusing on at school, which is like learning and making friends and growing into like wonderful adults one day.
Clothes!
And the kids, once they have new clothes on, they have a coat, they're not embarrassed about their own person because they look cleaner. Their clothes are healthier looking. And it seems that the demeanor changes, their posture's a little bit more. They are able to talk to you more about things and everything. And that's very noticeable.
I do enjoy seeing my students show up the next day with a bright smile on their face, wearing the clothes, you know, saying, "Check me out, Miss Brittany."
And I know how beneficial is this program for low-income families, especially this season. The cold is coming. Some families are struggling to meet the needs.
In the past, we would clothe about 1,000 to 1,200 children a year. This year, we've clothed over 3,000 children, so the need has become immense.
Yeah, it's so comfortable inside. It feels like fuzzy.
Being a parent is pretty stressful, but I can't imagine being a parent and having to worry about whether I could provide for my children.
These children are just like my children. You know, they wake up in the morning and they get ready for school, and they have to go to school and study and make friends and do all the same things that my children have to do. And to take that one worry away from them, it feels good.
Jackie was very good at sports.
I'm very worried that we're not moving fast enough of taking care of the homeless issue because it is hitting us really hard, and it doesn't seem like we're going to be lowering the numbers anytime soon.
I think now more than ever, our city needs those of us who have the ability to rise to the occasion and provide.
We are in a very high needs time right now, but together as a community, we can definitely service our families for the greater good.
I don't think anybody ever chooses poverty, but certainly these children did not choose poverty. And so I want to encourage you all to give with your heart.
Thank you, Operation School Bell. Thank you.
With the number of kids in need, we're finding that we're having to say no. And we want to get back to being able to say yes.